Coinbase Card 2025 review. Still the best crypto rewards card or not? Today, we're reviewing the Coinbase Card in 2025, a crypto debit card that promises you Bitcoin rewards just for spending your own money. But is it still the best option compared to Cash App, PayPal, and other crypto cards? Let's break it all down simply and see if it's worth it using it in 2025. What the Coinbase Card offers. Coinbase Card is a Visa debit card linked directly to your Coinbase account. Every time you swipe, you can earn crypto rewards, the default being Bitcoin or other tokens. Rewards rates typically up to 4% back, depending on which coin you choose. No annual fee and can be used anywhere Visa is accepted, online and in store. The pros of the Coinbase Card: Bitcoin rewards. Even if you're not trading, you're stacking sats every time you spend. And it's instant conversion. Spend directly from your Coinbase balance, no manual transfer needed. It's easy integration, works seamlessly with the Coinbase app for tracking, managing rewards, and swapping into other stable coins or fiat. The worldwide use cases: travel friendly because Visa is accepted almost everywhere. The fees: while there's no annual fee, Coinbase may charge conversion fees if you spend from non-USD balances. Limited rewards selection. Rewards are limited to specific crypto assets, not full flexibility. Volatility risk. If you choose altcoin rewards, their value can swing heavily. Competitors are catching up. Cash App and PayPal now offer Bitcoin rewards too, so Coinbase isn't the only player. Let's compare to other cards. Cash App, simple BTC back option, but usually capped with a lower flexibility. PayPal offers crypto rewards, but limited use cases and higher spreads. Traditional cashback cards, sometimes 2% flat. Cashback is more stable than volatile crypto. Key point is, Coinbase still offers better flexibility for those who want long-term Bitcoin exposure. Is it worth it? If you're already a Coinbase user and believe in Bitcoin long-term, yes, it's one of the best options. It's perfect for stacking BTC. If you're fee sensitive or prefer cashback over crypto, a traditional cashback card may outperform it. The main benefit is to set it and forget it crypto rewards, making it really beginner friendly. So, is the Coinbase Card still the best crypto rewards card in 2025? If you love value, Bitcoin rewards is a strong yes. But if you want stability, compare it against a 2% cashback card. Either way, the Coinbase Card remains one of the easiest ways to get into crypto rewards this year. Start stacking today. Join Coinbase with my link in the description and get free Bitcoin just for signing up. Don't wait.